cashing out, moving crypto from Coinbase Wallet to your bank account. Hey crypto fam! Ever dipped your toes into the exciting world of cryptocurrency, but now you're wondering how to actually use that digital gold for real-world purchases? Maybe you bought some Bitcoin when it dipped, or turned your meme coin hobby into some serious gains. Whatever the reason, the question on your mind is, can I transfer money from Coinbase Wallet to my bank account? The short answer? Absolutely. Coinbase Wallet, separate from the main Coinbase exchange, gives you more control over your crypto holdings, and that includes turning it back into spendable cash. But before we dive into the nitty-gritty, let's take a quick step back. Understanding your crypto wallet. Think of your Coinbase wallet like a digital safe deposit box. It securely stores your cryptocurrency holdings, away from the exchange itself. This means you have complete control over your private keys, which are like the combination to your safe. So, how does this translate to getting your money back into your bank account? The conversion process. Here's the key: you can't directly transfer cryptocurrency from your wallet to your bank. Crypto is a whole different beast than the traditional dollars and cents in your checking account. To bridge the gap, you need to convert your crypto to a fiat currency, like US dollars or euros, depending on your region. Think of it like exchanging your gold coins for regular bills at the bank. Coinbase Wallet versus Coinbase Exchange. Now, there's a slight difference here. While Coinbase Wallet is a self-custody wallet, Coinbase also offers a full-fledged exchange platform. Here's the catch: Coinbase Wallet itself doesn't have a built-in conversion feature. But fear not. There are two main ways to achieve your crypto-to-cash goals. Option 1. Transfer to Coinbase and sell. Link your accounts. First things first, you'll need to link your Coinbase Wallet to your Coinbase Exchange account. This creates a seamless bridge between the two platforms. Transfer your crypto. Head over to your Coinbase Wallet app and select the specific cryptocurrency you want to convert. Choose the transfer option and select your linked Coinbase account as the destination. This essentially moves your crypto from your wallet to the exchange. Sell your crypto. Once your crypto arrives in your Coinbase Exchange account, you can easily sell it for your desired fiat currency. Coinbase offers a user-friendly interface to navigate the selling process. Withdraw to bank account. Finally, with your funds now in fiat currency on Coinbase, you can initiate a withdrawal to your linked bank account. Coinbase will process the transfer, typically taking 1 to 3 business days. Option 2. Use a third-party exchange. While the Coinbase method is convenient, you might be looking for a platform with lower fees or a wider range of tradable cryptocurrencies. This is where third-party exchanges come in. The process is similar. Transfer to exchange. You'll need to transfer your crypto from Coinbase Wallet to the chosen exchange. Make sure the exchange supports the specific cryptocurrency you hold and double-check the transfer fees involved. Sell your crypto. Once your crypto arrives at the exchange, sell it for your desired fiat currency. Research the exchange's fees associated with selling and ensure you're getting the best deal. Withdraw to bank account. Finally, initiate a withdrawal from the exchange to your linked bank account. Processing times can vary depending on the exchange you choose. Important considerations. Before you jump in and start converting, here are some crucial points to remember. Transaction fees. Both Coinbase and third-party exchanges charge fees for various transactions, including transfers, conversions, and withdrawals. Do your research and compare fees before making a decision. Network fees. The underlying blockchain network you're using for your crypto might also have fees associated with transferring funds. These fees are independent of exchange fees and can vary depending on network congestion. Taxes. Cryptocurrency transactions might be subject to capital gains taxes depending on your location and the amount you're converting. Consult a tax professional for guidance. Security first. Remember, the world of crypto is exciting, but it also comes with an extra layer of responsibility. Always ensure you're transferring your crypto to the correct address, double-check every step of the process, and never share your private keys with anyone.